Chris here with the No Boss Life channel, the Person channel, getting you a little bit closer to breaking the vicious cycle of the rat race. As you can see today, I have made so far $475. This is part 2 to my secret of how I make money online, even though I don't know if they're really secrets. Hopefully you saw part 1. I'm not even going to go over the points that I made, the 2 points that I made as to why I make money online in part 1, because you got to watch the freaking video. In fact, I'll have a link somewhere popping at the top of this video where you can actually watch part 1. These 2 next points, as a part of my secret to making money online, are extremely important, but they may not sound like they're important. They may even sound like fluff to you or like BS, but I can tell you right now, these next 2 things is not only why you guys have been seeing me make the kind of money I've been making this year, but also why I have been closer than ever to actually hitting a big financial goal I set for myself, which is to make $1,000 a day online by the end of 2019. So number 3 is I've raised my income goals. It's easier to aim high and hit a little bit low than to aim low and hit even lower than that. So if you have like an income goal of making 20 bucks a day, which let me tell you something, that is a very low income goal, not to offend anybody who has that goal, but it is. Raise it to 50 bucks a day. That's what your income goal is, because what'll happen is you're naturally gonna wanna start doing a little bit more work and smarter and more efficient work to actually really hit that $50 a day mark. And even if you're not hitting it right off the gate, you'll be surpassing that $20 a day goal that you really need to be comfortable anyways. Before I get into number 4, I'm gonna give you this statement here. To get what you want in life, you have to deserve what you want in life. I have heard that saying from many successful people. You can take that saying and apply it to basically every area of life: health, wealth, love, and happiness. But really, let's focus on this wealth part here. One thing I have really learned about money is it only comes to people who actually deserve it. Many of us in life want to be able to get what we want without actually having to deserve it. And I can tell you right now, you can have some success thinking like that, but it'll always fluctuate and you'll never be able to reach your full potential in life. So that leads me into number 4, which is routine. More than ever before, I have had a solid routine in place. I have studied so many successful people. I have talked to so many successful people. And one thing that I have seen without fail, whether they tell you bluntly or you've studied them and realized this one thing, they have a solid routine in place from the time they wake up to the time they go to sleep. You can have success without having like just this crazy routine in place. But like I said, you will end up getting complacent, your income will fluctuate, all kinds of things will start happening. The kind of success I'm after requires me to deserve it, and it requires me to work and have a solid routine in place that allows me to do that. I'll probably make a video later on, sometime this year, really showing my routine, but I'll give you kind of a rough draft, I guess, of what my routine looks like on a daily basis. And it doesn't start online. From the time you wake up, it's very important that the next few things you do when you wake up is to kick your brain into productivity mode. I gotta work on my night routine a little bit more, but I have been starting off my days this year very, very good. I wake up and the first thing that I do is I basically make my bed. I know that sounds crazy, but if you have some time on YouTube, just look up the importance of making your bed every day. Making your bed, okay, is something that triggers something in your brain that you're starting to get in productivity mode. You're letting yourself know you woke up, you had your sleep time, now sleep time is over. You're making your bed, you are not going back to sleep. It's time for you to start doing what you need to do to get your day started and taking action to make money. Now my bed, y'all are like looking at my bed now. My bed, the pillow's off. But anyways, most people, I know people want to think that they make their bed. People don't really make their bed in the mornings. They just kind of wake up and let the covers lay where they are. They think, hey, I'm gonna come back in the afternoon, take a nap anyways. Make your bed in the morning. It also kind of gives you a sense of accomplishing something. And your brain likes feeling like we're accomplishing things every day. I don't mean to keep talking about making my bed every day, but that is just something, for some reason, it has really helped me. Then I go brush my teeth, take a shower, do all of that, and I get right back here and I focus on the income producing actions that I wrote the night before on what I need to focus that I wrote on my whiteboard. To get what I'm even talking about, you have to watch part 1 on what types of income producing actions I focus on. There should be something popping up here somewhere where you can click on it to watch part 1, but I get straight to what I was talking about on that second point of the part 1 video. Like I said in the last video, I think I said, people spend a lot of energy on things that don't really matter right away. You have to learn whatever you have to learn in systems and training and resources of what you have to do to actually make money and focus on those things only. My checklist every day is about 4 to 5 things a day. That's it. It's not like this crazy, complicated, huge list of things. When you have really narrowed down income producing actions, you will find you don't gotta do that many things a day to make a decent amount of money. And the things that I write down, I know other people are not focusing on. One of the reasons why I think I get the results I get is because I know other people aren't focusing on what they need to be focusing on when it comes to making money online. And if you can find that little advantage, you'll freaking crush. Not only, and it's not about crushing competition, but for me, I look at it as beating myself. You will crush, you will beat yourself every time, and maybe sounds weird too. You know what I mean though? Like you will hit basically any goal you set out to hit, or you'll at least come really close to it. So again, that's my second part to my secrets on how I make money online. There are some things that you have to maybe think on in a deeper way. You know, it's not a surface area kind of level. There's a lot of things maybe I can talk about, but those 4 points that I've gone in these 2 parts here of these videos are the big things that I can point out that I know other people really aren't doing. This is like a bonus, I guess, point. I'm committed. I'm committed to the process. I'm committed to however much time it takes me. And most people are not committed to that part of it. You expect this crazy amount of income in whatever time frame you think you're supposed to be hitting it in, and if you don't hit it, you give up. My mindset is completely opposite from that kind of thinking. I'll have a link somewhere, a button you can click on to watch the first part. Also, if you want to join the No Limit system, click that link in my video description below to check it out, to join, to become a part of my team. My vision for my team and for me is very big. It's gonna help a lot of people, and you just gotta start. You gotta take action. No more procrastinating. Anyways, that's it. Talk to you later, and God bless you.